Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some project share for you today. This is the completed banner that I made for the Care Bear swap. And all I did was, well, first of all, I used 3 ribbons to string my banners. And what I used was the plastic straws. It's a little wider than the opening than the paper straws. So I would suggest if you could get a wide opening for your straws, use that instead of the paper straws, because if you're using, even if you're using a wider ribbon, you'll need it. It'll go through there easily. And yeah, you wouldn't have to struggle. I was struggling the whole time. I also added the beads onto the ribbons between the 2 banners, or the 3 banners. So I put a set here and here. These are just beads from my stash. I have a bin here, and the bead looks like this. And I believe I got these at Hobby Lobby. Yeah. And then I also got these from Hobby Lobby and Ebony. They did sell these at Hobby Lobby at one point. I don't know if it's still there. But these clear clouds are from Ebony, and her clouds, I just realized, the hole is from the top to bottom. And oh, they are all top to bottom, but her bead is you can see the hole, where the one from Hobby Lobby, if you hold the bead like this one's from Ebony, the hole is right here from this side. And this one's from Hobby Lobby, the hole is at this top here. So it just depends on how you want to use it. But Ebony does carry them. So guys, go check her out, the Resin Guru, on Instagram. So yeah, that's all I did. Added the clouds to the very ends of the banner. It can slide up and down. Also, to get everything through, I put some tape on the ends, almost like a shoelace. I just put the tape on the ends, but I got to trim those off. Okay, so that is all I wanted to share. Oh no, I did finish my embellishments. They're pretty big. You might even use them just for bag toppers because they're so big. But I used the clouds, the negative piece from this cloud here, the edging. So you get the negative space. That's this right here. And I just added some sequins on there, and I had this made last week, the paper ruffles. And then this is the words from the KS Craft banner, and it had smile, dream, what's the other one? Happy. Happy, and cheers. And there's another word. Magic is the other word. It goes with this set. It's just the add-on for this set. The banner pennants. Yeah. I would have used these, but they're so tiny, you know. You want something bigger. But yeah, that's what I got. And this is what happy looks like. I used the Dollar Tree tool. Looks like that. And then for the pink one, it's a different tool. I think this is Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I don't remember. One of the crafty stores. And this one is pink, but it has those little pink and clear dots on there. Looks like little gems. See that? So yeah, and then the Dream I think is my favorite with all the stars. Again, I used the Dollar Tree tool for that. The cloud is off. I cut from the Cricut. This was just hand cut paper ruffles, and stitched it with some gold thread. And then yeah, the Dream, like I said, is from the KS Craft die set. So those are pretty big embellishments. Yeah, I would use these for like album cover, you know, decorate your cover. Who knows? You know, you never know. So yeah, I'll clean these off. And yeah, if you're new here, welcome. And please join our crafty family and hit the subscribe button. Also, thank you to my friends who come back and support our channel or my channel. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye.